Kia ora whānau. Anyway guys, I am down at Brothers Rugby Club in Brisbane, Australia, and I'm actually at the Vegan Australia Day event that's being hosted today. And I sort of thought today, since I'm going to do a chasing the vegan food segment, come down, check it all out, see what's going on. There's plenty of food stalls around, so I'm going to check it all out and probably eat and give you guys a bit more information about Australia Day and obviously being vegan on Australia Day as well. Alright, cool. Enjoy. I've just gone to a place called Cornstar, hence the name, Cornstar, and I got a Jamaican corn stick. Really good. A bit spicy. I have sauce all over my face, but it's actually really good. This event today, it's actually pretty good. It just gives a lot of more information, and also there's just a lot of information about veganism and, you know, things that we should be informed about. So yeah, it's actually a really cool event to be a part of, and really actually excited to eat more food and show you guys a little bit more about veganism here in Brisbane. So yeah. Anyway guys, that gauze plate I just had was so good. I am so full now, so what I'm going to do is just grab myself an iced tea, and that's pretty much it for me for the vlog. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed this vlog. If you actually like this vlog, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel as well. And also, if you got any questions about anything, including veganism, my travels, or even just today, just comment below and I will answer those questions for you. Alright guys, ka kite!